Hi, welcome to the video. Today we're showing the Amazon Kindle for Kids. It's an early Christmas present for our 9-year-old son. In this video we're going to show how to set it up. So Amazon's Kindle for Kids is its first Kindle for kids. It's a standard e-reader in disguise. It has added reading badges, animal screensavers, and a 2-year warranty. So this Kindle comes with a year's subscription to its Fire for Kids Unlimited library. It's designed for children up to the age of 12. Words looked up via the dictionary tool are automatically turned into flashcards for further practice, and there's also an achievement badges for hitting a reading goal or finishing a book. So spec-wise, it's got a 6-inch 167 ppi e-ink display, an adjustable reading light, 4 GB of storage, Wi-Fi, and the standard very long battery life of a Kindle. There's a parental control pin that prevents your child from accessing the browser. So if you're in the UK, you've got a choice of blue or pink cases. If you're in the US, you also get some limited edition options of Space Station and Rainbow Birds. So our son had a profile on the Voyage, and it's pretty awesome now that we don't have to share. And this also tracks, the books read and stuff, and how many pages, and that's really cool as well. So setting it up is really easy. You push the button. The light comes on, and you follow the instructions on the screen. Okay, so setup is really easy. It takes about a minute, I guess. You choose your language, you sign into your Wi-Fi, and then you claim your free 1-year subscription for the Amazon Kids account. So we've got 4 kids, and so we just chose the eldest kid to get the account.